2025 KTM Champion Edition Lineup. First look, 11 Fast Facts. KTM has taken performance and style to the next level with the 2025 Champion Edition lineup, a special series designed to celebrate the brand's legacy in both motocross and road racing. The Champion Edition bikes bring limited edition graphics, exclusive features, and factory-inspired performance upgrades to the street and dirt. Here are 11 fast facts about this exciting new lineup. 1. A nod to KTM's racing legacy. The 2025 Champion Edition lineup pays homage to KTM's rich racing heritage, which includes multiple motocross and enduro championships. These special editions feature exclusive graphics and designs that reflect the vibrant, aggressive spirit of KTM's racing teams. 2. Available across multiple models. KTM is offering the Champion Edition across a variety of models, including the KTM 450SXF, KTM 250SX, KTM 1290 Super Duke R, and KTM 390 Duke. Each bike gets unique touches, but all share the same racing-inspired ethos. 3. Exclusive graphics package. One of the standout features of the Champion Edition models is the custom graphics package, inspired by KTM's factory race teams. The design features bold color accents and premium detailing, giving the bikes a distinct, high-performance look that sets them apart from regular models. 4. Factory-level suspension. The KTM Champion Edition motocross models, like the 450SXF, come with factory-grade WP-Zact suspension for enhanced stability and comfort in tough terrain. This upgrade ensures that the bikes are ready for everything from high-speed straights to technical turns. 5. Lightweight design for better handling. Weight is a crucial element of KTM's design philosophy, and the Champion Edition bikes are no exception. Thanks to the use of lightweight materials like chromoly steel and aluminum, these bikes are built for superior agility and precision in handling, whether on the track or the street. 6. High-performance exhaust system. To enhance power delivery and give the bikes an unmistakable racing soundtrack, the Champion Edition models feature exclusive Acropovic exhaust systems. These exhausts improve exhaust flow, helping boost performance across the rev range while adding a distinctive roar. 7. Enhanced electronics package. In addition to their sleek looks, the Champion Edition bikes come equipped with advanced electronics, including traction control, launch control, and quickshifters for faster gear changes. These technologies enhance both street and track performance. 8. Special racing seats. To further elevate the riding experience, the Champion Edition motorcycles feature race-inspired seats with additional grip and ergonomic support. These seats are designed to keep riders comfortable and in control during intense sessions, whether on the track or on long rides. 9. Limited edition production numbers. As with all special edition models, the Champion Edition bikes are produced in limited numbers, making them highly collectible. Each bike comes with a unique serial number and certificate of authenticity, further underscoring the exclusivity of the lineup. 10. Pricing and availability. Prices for the 2025 Champion Edition models start at $10,999 for the KTM 390 Duke Champion Edition, with the KTM 450SXF Champion Edition reaching up to $11,999. These bikes will be available through select KTM dealers beginning early 2025. 11. Ideal for enthusiasts and collectors. Whether you're a hardcore KTM fan, a racing enthusiast, or a collector of limited edition motorcycles, the 2025 Champion Edition lineup offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of KTM's racing legacy while enjoying top-tier performance on the road or track. Conclusion. With the 2025 Champion Edition lineup, KTM has once again proven its commitment to innovation, performance, and style. Whether you're looking to conquer the track or simply add an exclusive piece to your collection, these bikes offer something special for every rider. Get ready for an exciting 2025 season with KTM's most exclusive models yet.